Depending on the status of the souls, they may be able to visit their families. If it is the soul of a believer, they will be shown only the good actions of his or her family. The soul of a non-believer will be shown the bad actions of his or her family. This is another type of reward or punishment in Barzakh. It is very important that we should not forget our dead, especially our parents. They have no power to perform good deeds in their current state, and they rely on their children, relatives, and other close ones to aid them with good deeds. They eagerly await the favors. We should particularly pray for them in Salatul Layl, but also after every prayer. We should also try to share the reward of any good actions we do with our deceased relatives. Dedicating the reward to them does not mean we will lose out on any of the reward ourselves. In this world, if we share something with someone, we lose a part of it. However, in the world after death, sharing the rewards of an action does not diminish from the rewards of the one who performed the action.